Manfred and I'm the owner of the camper van Fred. In this video I will explain how to operate the main windows and also how to convert this bench into a comfortable bed and back into a bench. So let's start with windows. We have 3 main windows in the main living area of Fred, one on each side, left and right, and one here in the back, in the top, on in the roof. They all operate in a very similar way. So if you look at this one here first, to open them, you basically just open these 2 levers, clack, clack, and then press it out. That's it. And the same on the left. To close it, pull it back in and close the levers. We can close it entirely with the blinds. So if we move that up, the blinds completely darken the window. And if we move it down now, we have a mosquito net. So that's very handy because at night, maybe when it's hot, you want to have some airflow. So you can keep the windows open, but still avoid mosquitoes to come in by using the mosquito net. So this is how that is operated. And it's very similar with the roof window. So again, we have either the mosquito net, or you can close it completely with the blind. And open, we just press this button here, and with the lever we can open the window. That's it. That's how to operate this. Make sure when you drive that you close this roof window. Another important note is that the height of the van, the height of Fred, is 2 meters and 5 centimeters. So that's important, because I'm saying this because the highest point is actually the roof window. And sometimes you may forget that. So the highest point of Fred is 2 meters and 5 centimeters. Just be careful when you drive somewhere which is very narrow. Okay, that was the first part. That was about the windows. There is the third window which operates exactly the same on the left hand side, just on top of the kitchen. So we'll show you this in a second, and then let's convert the bed. So there you can see this third window. It's exactly the same as the one on the right in the sliding door. And let's take a look now at how to convert the bench into a bed. You will always have in Fred enough blankets, pillows and bed linen. That's always provided. And now let's see how this can be converted into a bed. It's very straightforward. First of all, here at the bottom is some more storage space. There is also the toilet underneath, which I will explain in another video. But in order to convert this, you open the bottom part, the lid, and then you push down on the top, and then it folds. That's it. And then you have a comfortable bed. You can obviously then use the bed linen to put on top and sleep. It sleeps 2 people very comfortably. And in order to put back the bench, you just grab the back part here, pull it up, and that's it. So again, in order to move it down, the bottom part, just lift it up slightly and then push down on the top part with the left hand. That's it, there you have the bed. And to get it back up, the other way around, you pull first the back and put it into place. And that's it. That's how you operate the windows and the bench to convert it into a bed. If you would like to learn more about Fred, if you would like to book a trip with Fred, or for any other questions or comments, just feel free to take a visit at camperwithfred.com. Thanks for watching.